When people think about CrossFit, they think intensity. They think about barbells, they think about sweating, they think about your heart rate beating through your chest. But here's something that we don't talk about enough. There's growing evidence that this style of training impacts more than just your body. Now, let's be clear, there isn't a massive randomized controlled trial titled CrossFit Makes You Smarter yet, but there is legitimate research that points in that direction. For example, a research paper in the Journal of Sports and Science and Medicine by Fietto and colleagues in 2018 looked at CrossFit participants and found high levels of enjoyment, intrinsic motivation, and improved perceived quality of life. I can definitely second that as well. That's not small. Enjoyment and intrinsic motivation are strongly tied to long-term adherence and psychological well-being. And there was another study in 2014 in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning by Henrich and Associates that studied functional training or CrossFit style training and found significant improvements in aerobic capacity, body composition, along with high participant enjoyment compared to traditional exercise models. Now zoom out beyond CrossFit specifically. There's broader research on high intensity exercise and cognition. A study done in the Journal of Applied Physiology in 2016 by Sakamoto and colleagues found that high intensity intermittent exercise improved executive functions, things like focus and decision making. And then another study in 2018 in the British Journal of Sports and Medicine, published by Northey and Associates, showed that exercise, especially moderate to high intensity exercise, improves cognitive performance across multiple domains. When we combine all of that, CrossFit isn't just strength training, it's high intensity training, it's coordination, it's sequencing motor patterns, it's focusing while under fatigue, and it is community, which is probably the most important part. You're asking your brain and your body to work together under stress. That's neurological demand. So while research at CrossFit specifically is still growing, the broader evidence strongly supports that this kind of training improves mental well-being, cognitive performance, and resilience. And as coaches, that changes the narrative. We're not just building fitter athletes, we're building sharper, more confident, more resilient humans. That's bigger than any workout.